Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Herman Green. The Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, JCC, has joined the chorus of calls for businesses that faced losses during road construction in the corporate area to be compensated. JCC President Lloyd Distant argues that the losses were due to poor planning and coordination on the side of the government. TVJ's Andrew Laidley tells us more.
Some businesses have already taken court action against the government. Others demand compensation. JCC President Lloyd Distant now indicating that the chamber won't wait much longer for a response.
Some businesses were forced to cut back on their opening hours, reduce their employment levels, or to even close their doors as they struggled to balance income and operating costs, directly attributable to inadequate planning, coordination, and poor information sharing. And this cannot be chalked up to the inevitable price of progress. There must be restitution for ineptitude.
He says investigations by the JCC revealed that contractors weren't familiar with the layout of the land, resulting in several pipelines and utility networks being severely damaged.
In our most recent interventions, we found an unacceptable number of cases where equipment operators were instructed to work on particular stretches of roadway without being provided with the schematics of water, sewage, or telecommunications infrastructure on a timely basis. Or, in some instances, such schematics were woefully inadequate.
Mr. Distant also questioned the government's plans for maintaining the roads, highlighting that poor drainage infrastructure is likely to present further challenges.
A number of our members have already expressed a concern that the impact of the roadwork may already be compromised because of the absence of upgraded drainage facilities in a context where much of the new road surfaces have been significantly raised.
The JCC president says the organization is open to discussing the options for restitution in whatever form it takes, including the possibility of tax breaks for its members. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
To the not-so-good news now, gas prices are going up this week. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for $2.99 more. Automotive diesel oil is up $3, while the low sulfur variety goes up $3.05. Kerosene is up $3.01. Propane increases by $1.12, while butane is up $1.40. To currency trading now, today ended with the US dollar selling for $131.38. The Canadian dollar is now going for $100.35. It now costs $166.40 for the pound sterling, while the euro is selling for $150.16. The JCC index lost 2,665 points today, while the junior market index declined by 41 points. Among the winners were Supreme Ventures, JMMB Group 7.5%, Cygnus Credit Investments, Blue Power Group, and the Jamaica Producers Group. On the losing side were 1834 Investments, Epley, Main Event Entertainment Group, Cargo Handlers, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.